Hello, I'm Dr. Jhon Cole from the United States. I've been practicing hair restoration surgery for 27 years. And I'm proud to say that I'm the Global Medical Director for Kaloni Hair Restoration. You may ask yourself, why Mexico? Why Mexico City? Well, Kaloni has over 200 employees. It's a full-service plastic surgery center. You can bring your wife, you can bring your girlfriend, and they can make their lives better too. You know, there's a full-service day spa. So, Kaloni Clinic is an excellent opportunity to restore your hair and get a great value and feel more confident in your life because you have your hair back. So I want to thank you for the opportunity to introduce you to Kaloni Hair Restoration. We look forward to hosting you here in Mexico City at the Kaloni Hair Restoration Center.